Hey guys, it's me, Soso. I know I haven't posted in a while, but here I am. I've been having a lot of art block and couldn't pick up my drawing tablet in ages. I resorted to drawing in my sketchbook, but I'm back, and that's all that matters. Anyway, today is actually Malagasy Independence Day. Last year, I drew the traditional clothes of each region in Madagascar. This year, since I didn't want to draw an entire wardrobe or repeat what I did last year, I decided to draw some of the Malagasy characters my dad and I created. You might have seen a few of them on this channel already. I wanted to have them interact in a probable place where they could bump into each other, so I drew them in the Zuma. If you don't know, the Zuma is actually the largest market that takes place in Madagascar. Even though Zuma translates into Friday, the actual market takes place on Saturday. Yeah, I don't get it either. My idea was to draw a simple background with a few people so that the characters would stand out. I used a lot of basic shapes and blurred out the people a bit to show that they were just a background. It was actually really fun drawing these people. This entire wallpaper has Ikotofetsy and Imahaka, based off an actual legend, Flesy, created by my younger sister, and Lady Gasikara, whom you might have seen earlier on my channel. She's actually how I imagine Madagascar to be as a person. I missed a few characters when I drew this though. There's Fara, Kutu, and Chimbe. All three of them are based off actual legends. Fara and Kutu are young siblings, and Chimbe is a giant. I forgot about Fara and Kutu when I was drawing, and I can't draw muscles to save my life. Maybe next year, Chim's design will have been solidified. It's actually very easy to draw these characters since I've drawn Ikotofetsy and Imahaka several times. Their designs are pretty much iconic to me. Flesy also has a distinct look compared to the boys. Plus, Lady Gasikara has the colors of the Malagasy flag. Also, I didn't draw hands, so that saved time.
Fenumana na takariva timba susta famira na lava dia vula na fenumana na takariva timba susta famira na lava baila la no baila la na faudi zahai baila la no baila la na faudi zahai dia vula na fenumana na takariva timba susta famira na lava dia vula na fenumana na takariva timba susta famira na lava baila la no baila la na faudi zahali baila la no baila la na faudi zahali. Na filumana na takariva timba susta famira na lava dia vula na filumana na takariva timba susta famira na lava baila la no baila la na faudi zahali baila la no baila la na faudi zahali dia vula na filumana na takariva timba susta famira na lava dia vula na fenumana na takariva timba susta famira na lava baila la no baila la na faudi zahali baila la no baila la na faudi zahali.
After about an hour or 30 minutes of work, I managed to draw this. If you guys want to download this wallpaper for yourselves, there will be a link in the description. It will be up for free for the next week. After that, it'll be $1.50. Thanks for your support this year, guys. That's all, guys. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. Don't forget to check out my shop. Link in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye!